Already we discussed organic chemistry is complete. Today discuss solutions topic. Okay. In solutions, IB examination, one 4 marks question and also one 2 marks question is given. Okay. Solution means a homogeneous mixture of. So what is solution? A homogeneous mixture of mixture of two or more components. Two or more components is called as solution. Homogeneous means so mixed solutions. Okay, dissolving solutions is called as homogeneous. Homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called as solution. Okay, in any solution contains only two components. That solution is called as a binary solution. Binary means two. The solution contains only two components, that is called as binary solution. That components are, one is a solvent, another is a solute. Solvent means large quantity in any given solution is called as solvent. A less quantity or a small quantity in any given solution is called as solute. So for example, sugar solution undamma. Sugar solution for example 5 grams of sugar dissolved in 250 ml of water. So the water component is a large quantity, it is considered as solvent, and 5 grams of sugar is a less quantity, it is considered as a solute. So next one is types of solutions. Generally the classification of solutions are major three types: gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, and solid solutions. So depending upon solid and solvent, the solutions are again classified into 9 types. So first one is the gaseous solutions. The combination is gas combination. The solvent is a gas, solid is a gas. The example is a mixture of O2 and N2 gases, and liquid gases. Chloroform I mixed with N2 gas, and solid gas camphor in N2 gas. In these three examples, the gas is the solvent, gas, N2 gas, N2 gas. Okay, and also next one is the liquid solutions. Okay, gas liquid, liquid, solid liquid. In liquid solutions, solvent is the liquid. So example is O2 dissolved in water, ethanol dissolved in water, glucose dissolved in water. These three are H2O is a solvent molecule, large quantity in liquid solutions. And next one is the solid solutions, gas solid, liquid solid, solid is a solvent, large quantity is a solid. The example of gas solid is a solution of hydrogen in palladium, and second one is the amalgam of mercury with sodium, and third one is a solid solution. Example is copper dissolved in gold. These are the types of solutions. Okay, and next one is important topic, concentrations expression methods. Okay, first one is the mass percentage of solid equal to mass of solid by mass of solution into 100. Percentage means 100. Mass of solid by mass of solution into 100. And second one is the volume percentage of solid equal to volume of solid into 100 by volume of solution, and mass by volume percentage of solid equal to mass of solid by volume of solution into 100. Mass percent means always mass by mass rastamama or weight by weight. That means the two compositions expressed in grams or kilograms, and volume percentage are both are V by V, liters or milliliters. And also mass of volume always W by V or M by V. Mass by volume or weight by volume. Parts per million ppm. The two marks most important. Parts per million always indicates ppm. What is ppm? The quantity of the solute in grams present in 10 power 6. Million means 10 power 6 grams of the solution is called as parts per million ppm. The parts per million ppm equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 power 6. This is the parts per million. What is parts per million? The quantity of the solute in grams present in 10 power 6 grams of the solution, that is the parts per million equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 power 6. Fourth one, so first one is the mass percentage complete, second one is the volume percentage complete, third one is the mass by volume percentage complete, fourth one is the parts per million also complete, and fifth one is the most important molarity. So in IP examination guarantee question, molarity capital M, most important molarity capital M. So IP exam lo 2 marks or 4 marks problem definition, 2 or 4 marks question, guarantee question. Okay, so molarity, what is molarity? The number of moles of solutes, the number of moles of solute present in dissolved in dissolves in 1 liter or 1000 ml of the given solution is called molarity. What is molarity, amma? The number of moles of solute present in dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of the given solution is called as molarity capital M. So according to definition, molarity capital M is equal to number of moles antunam, moles by volume rastuna, volume. Moles always indicates N by V. What is N? N equal to weight by gram molecular weight. So finally mass M is equal to molarity M is equal to N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. This is the in liters. But molarity M is equal to weight by gram weight into 1000 by V into milliliters. Okay, so we observed units of molarity equal to, so M is equal to N by V రాస్తున్నామా అంటే moles for liter or capital M or moles per decimeter cube, moles per liter or moles per milliliter or molarity or moles per milliliter. These are the units of molarity is equal to M is equal to N by V, that means moles per liter or moles per milliliter or moles per decimeter cube. This is the molarity. Once again listen here, molarity M means the number of moles of solute present dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of the given solution is called as molarity capital M. Molarity capital M is equal to moles by volume N by V. So M is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters and also in milliliters. This is a molarity M. Similarly, molality, next one is a molality, lity, Lity. Okay, it indicates small m, number of moles of solutes present in dissolved in 1 liter, that means 1 kilogram or 1000 grams of the given solution is called as molality. So molarity expressed in kgs, kilograms or grams, same definition. Okay, the liter or milliliter replaced by kilograms or grams. Finally the units are moles per kg or moles per grams or moles per gram. Okay, this is molality. What is the main difference between molarity and molarity? Molarity is expressed in liters or milliliters, but molality is expressed in kgs or grams. The mole fraction capital X, most important in our syllabus. Mole fraction capital X, already we know that first year. What is mole fraction capital X? The ratio between the number of moles of one component number of moles of one component and also total moles of the all components is called as mole fraction x. Mole fraction x is equal to mole fraction x is equal to the ratio between the number of moles of one component divided by total moles of the all components is called as mole fraction x. The mole fraction x is defined as the ratio between the number of moles of one component and total moles of the all components is called as mole fraction x. For example, the binary solution contains only two components, that is a component and also a b component. Binary solution means contains only two components, a component and as well as b component. Okay, a component mole fraction of a component, mole fraction of a, that means xa is equal to, we write that number of moles of first component and number of moles of total components Na by Na plus Nb. So where xa is the mole fraction of a component, Na is the number of moles of a component, Nb is the number of moles of b component. According to definition, number of moles of one component, A is the one component, total moles of the all components and Na plus Nb. The solution contains only two components, total moles of the all components Na plus Nb. Similarly, b component xb is equal to, we write that Nb by Na plus Nb. For always xa plus xb is equal to 1. This is a mole fraction where Na comma Nb are number of moles of a comma b components, xa and xb are so mole fractions of a comma b component. This is a mole fraction. So already concentration expression methods definitions formulas complete చేస్తున్నాం. In IB examination or NEET or mains examination లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీనింగ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, డెఫినేషన్ విత్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో మాస్ పర్సంటేజ్, మొలారిటీ, మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం 1. సో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది మాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆస్పరిన్. ఫార్ములా is C9H8O4 in acetonitrile CH3CN when 6.5 grams of aspirin is dissolved in 450 grams of CH3CN. ఇచ్చాడమ్మా, మాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. మాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్ కావాలి. సో మాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్ ఈక్వల్ మనం రాస్తాం ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఫార్ములా తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. సో మాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ mass of aspirin equal to how much? Mass or weight amma, weight anna mass anna okate. Mass or weight equal to this number ikkada 6.5 grams. 6.5 grams ఇచ్చినాం. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి సో మాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎసిటోనైట్రైల్, సెకండ్ వన్, mass of acetonitrile liquid వాడే ఇచ్చినాం. how much? 6.450 grams. ఓకే, మాస్ ఆఫ్ ఆస్పిరిన్ ఇచ్చేసిండు, మాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎసిటోన్ ఇచ్చిండు. టోటల్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈక్వల్ 450 6.5 456.5 grams. Okay, మనకు ఆల్రెడీ స్మాల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇస్ దేర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద సొల్యూట్. Okay, so according to formula, so what is formula? Mass percentage equal to solute equal to mass of solute by total mass of solution. into 100. Mass of solid equals 6.5, 456.5. So finally into 100 equal to 0.0124 into 100. So 100 multiplied with 0.0142, finally 1.424%. This is the mass percentage. So actually mass of aspirate is a low quantity, that is called as considered as solute 6.5, and solvent is the acetonitrile. Total mass of solution equal 2 components 456.5. 6.5 by 456.5 into 100 చేస్తామా. సో యాక్చువల్లీ aspirate స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటంటమ్మా, సో ఎసిటైల్ సాలిసిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఆరోగ్యంలో వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం ఆల్రెడీ. ఎసిటైల్ COOH, ఎసిటైల్ నైట్రైల్ OC double bond O CH3 అమ్మా. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆస్పిరిన్ స్ట్రక్చర్. దీన్ని మనం ఎసిటైల్ సాలిసిలిక్ యాసిడ్ చెప్పుకుంటాం, చెప్పుకున్నాం ఆల్రెడీ. ఓకేనా. సో ఎసిటైల్ సాలిసిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆస్పిరిన్. దీని ఫార్ములానే ఇది స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇదమ్మా. ఓకే, ఇది ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. వన్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఐపీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్, చాలాసార్లు ఎగ్జామ్ అడిగిన, మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ ఐపీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. సో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది మొలారిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ సొల్యూషన్ containing 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Okay, so molarity find out cheyali. According to data, weight of solute means 5 grams of in a weight of sodium hydroxide equal to 5 grams. Next one is gram or GMW gram molecular weight of NaOH is equal to how much? 40 grams. ఎలా అమ్మా, sodium plus oxygen plus hydrogen. Sodium atomic number 11, atomic weight 23 plus oxygen 8 16, hydrogen total 40 grams. Next one is the volume also is given. Volume is equal to 450 milliliters. So we know that formula, molarity capillary is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. So weight equal to, already weight is given 5 grams. Gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide equal to 40 grams. 1000 volume is equal to 450. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. Okay. Or 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5 9s are 5 by 2 9s are 18, 5 by 18, 5 divided with 18, 18 1s are 0.0, 18 2s are 36, and also 14 is there, and also 0, 18 7s are, so approximately 0.27 molarity or moles per liter. This is the answer. 0.27 is the answer. Most important problem. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. So according to problem, the given data is the weight of sodium hydroxide is equal to 5 grams. We calculate the gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40 grams. Na plus oxygen plus hydrogen totally 40 grams. Substitute these values in this equation. Finally we get 0.27 molarity. Next problem is the third problem. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 50 grams of methyl alcohol in a 500 centimeter cube solution. Okay, molarity find out cheyali. According to data, solution weight of మీథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఫార్ములా తెలవాలి. CH3OH is a methyl alcohol formula equal to what ఇచ్చినాం ఆల్రెడీ. హౌ మచ్? 50 grams weight, right? Next, gram molecular weight of methyl alcohol ఫార్ములా తెలుసు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ. 1 కార్బన్ కాబట్టి 1 into C రాస్తున్నాం, ప్లస్ 4 హైడ్రోజన్స్ కాబట్టి 4 into హైడ్రోజన్, ప్లస్ ఓన్లీ 1 ఆక్సిజన్. Carbon atomic number 6, atomic weight 12, 1 into 12, 12. So 4 into 1, 4 hydrogens, 1 into 16. Finally we get 32 grams. Gram molecular weight of methyl alcohol is 32 grams. Volume is given. Volume is 500 centimeter cube, which is converted to liters, 0.5 liters. Volume ఉంది, weight ఉంది, అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి మనకు. ఈ ఫార్ములా తెలుసు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ. Molarity equal to formula weight by into 1000 by liters annama. 1 by V in liters. So weight equal to how much? 50. 32 into 1 by V equal to 0.5. is equal to 50 by 32 into 1 by 1 by 2. 0.5 means 1 by 2 రాస్తున్నామా. So finally 50 into 2 by 32. 2 ones are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 25s are 25 by 8 equal to finally 3.125 molarity. Okay, so main ga methyl alcohol formula CH3OH అమ్మా. GMW గ్రామ్ ఆర్డర్ వెయిట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 32 grams వచ్చింది. సో ద వాల్యూమ్ ఈజ్ సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్. 500 centimeter cube is converted to liters, 0.5 liters. సో లీటర్స్ కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా తీసుకున్నాం. మొలారిటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వెయిట్ బై గ్రామ్ ఆర్డర్ వెయిట్ ఇంటూ 1 by V in liters అని రాస్తున్నాం. Substitute the above values in this equation. Finally we get 3.125 molarity or moles per liter. 2 marks most important amma. 2 marks important. What is problem? Calculate the amount of benzoic acid. Formula is the C6H5COH required for preparing 250 ml of 0.15 m solution in methanol. Okay, molarity ఇచ్చిండు. weight ను find out చేయమంటాడమ్మా. చూద్దాం. weight of benzoic acid formula C6H5COH is equal to how much? So this is nothing but a solution. దీన్ని ఏమైనా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. గ్రామ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకున్నా. సో గ్రామ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫార్ములా. సో యాక్చువల్లీ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈజ్ ఇలా రాస్తున్నా అలా రాస్తున్నా ఒకటేనమ్మా. COH బెంజిన్ పైన COH బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్, దీన్ని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. C6H5COH. C6 అంటే C6H 7 కార్బన్స్, 7 into C 7 into 12 7s 84, 6 hydrogens, 6 into H, 6 into 1 6. So how many oxygens? Only 2 oxygens. 2 into 16 equal to 32, 84, and totally the 122. So the gram molecular weight of benzoic acid is the 124. This is the benzoic acid. Okay, so మనకి ఏమొచ్చిందమ్మా? గ్రామ్ molecular weight of benzoic acid how much? 122 grams. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చినాము? ఇంకా వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చిండు, మొలారిటీ కూడా ఇచ్చిండు. మొలారిటీ ఇచ్చినాము, వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చిండు. వాల్యూమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 250 milliliters అండ్ మొలారిటీ క్యాపిటల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ వాడే ఇచ్చినామా 0.1 m ఇచ్చిండు. సో ఫార్ములా మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. మొలారిటీ క్యాపిటల్ M ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు weight by gram molecular weight into, so 1000 by V in milliliters. So So molarity M is equal to how much? 0.1 m. Weight equal to find out cheyali. GMW is equal to how much amma? 122 and 1000 divided by 250. Okay, this value substituted. Then 250 ones are 250 fours are 2 twos are 260 ones are 2 ones are 230.5. That implies weight equal to 0.15 into 30.5. So finally we get 4.575. ఏంటది weight కాబట్టి in grams. 2 marks question important. Okay, calculate the amount of benzoic acid C6H5COH required for preparing 250 ml of 0.1 m molarity solution in methanol. Okay, solid is the benzoic acid. Gram or weight of benzoic acid is 122 grams. Value వాడేచ్చినామా molarity వాడేచ్చి ప్రిన్సిపల్ మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. Finally we get 4.575 grams. Okay, it is also another 2 marks question important. So fifth problem, calculate the molality, not molarity. Molality small m of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Formula is CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid. So in 75 grams of benzene. Okay, molality find out cheyalama. So weight of ethanoic acid నాకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ. Weight of ethanoic acid or acetic acid equal to how much? 2.5 grams. అలాగే gram molecular weight of ethanoic acid equal to 60 grams వస్తుందంట. చూద్దాం ethanoic acid ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? CH3COOH. CH3COOH. So how many carbons? 2 carbons is there. 2 into C, 2 into 12 equal to 24. How many oxygens? 2 oxygens. 2 into 16, 32. 4 hydrogens. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 60 grams వచ్చిందమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇచ్చిండు వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చిండు 75 grams వచ్చిందమ్మా. మొలాలిటీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మొలాలిటీ నాట్ మొలాలిటీ, మోలాలిటీ. Small m is equal to formula weight by into grams కాబట్టి 1000 by V in a grams amma, not liters. Weight 2.5, 60, 1000 by V equal to 75. So ఈ పాయింట్ కాస్త క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 25 by 600 into 1000 divided by 75. 25 ones are 25 threes are 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 fives are 2 threes are. Finally 5 by 9 is equal to, so 0.556 moles per grams. Okay, this is the next problem. So next problem is the most important problem. Calculate the mole fraction of 98% WW H2SO4 solution. IP ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో ఇప్పటి వరకు 20 టైమ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చిందమ్మా. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ కూడా 11. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11 లో ఉన్నది. Calculate the mole fraction of 98% WW H2SO4 solution. According to data, 98% WW H2SO4 means 98 grams of H2SO4 is present in a 100 grams of solution. So for example, this is a 100 gram solution. Okay, so 2 grams and 98 grams. So total solution 100 grams. 2 grams is water. 98 grams are H2SO4. It contains 2 components. First component is the H2O. Weight of H2O is equal to how many weight H2O equal to 2 grams. Weight of H2SO4 equal to 98 grams. Okay. Next one is the GMW of H2O is equal to 18 grams. GMW of 98 grams. So elama H2O means 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen. 2 hydrogen, 2 into 1, 1 into 16 is equal to 18 grams. అలాగే H2SO4 లో 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen, 2 into 1, 1 into 32, 4 into 16, total 98 grams. Okay, next one is the number of moles of water, that means N of H2O. Number of moles means N of H2O is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight how much? 2. 18 is equal to 1 by 9 is equal to 0.1. So number of moles of water equal to 0.1. అలాగే number of moles of H2SO4 and N of H2SO4 is equal to formula weight by GMW. Weight equal how much? 98 by 98 is equal to 1. So according to mole fraction of H2SO4 కావాలి mole fraction of H2SO4, that means X of H2SO4 is equal to N of H2SO4 by N of H2SO4 plus N of H2O. Number of moles of one component by total moles of the all components. H2 1 by 1 plus 0.1, 1 by 1.1 equal to 10 by 11 equal to 0.1 moles. Okay, so mole fraction of H2SO4 equal to 0.9 moles. Once again listen here, calculate the mole fraction of 98% W by W H2SO4 solution means 98% W by W H2SO4 means 98 grams of H2SO4 is present in 100 grams of solution, that means 2 grams of water, 98 grams of sulfuric acid. So weight of water equal to 2 grams, gram molecular weight of water equal to 18 grams, find out chesanu. Number of moles equal to 1 by 9 equal to 0.1, and similarly sulfuric acid equal to 1. Substitute the equation, mole fraction of sulfuric acid formula is the number of moles of sulfuric acid by total moles, so sulfuric acid and water, finally we get 0.9. ఓకేనా. సో ఇది కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మెథడ్స్ అమ్మ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఇంపార్టెంట్ దీనిలో మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్, మోలారిటీ చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్.